I'm over the line, but I'm actually a metre in.
Yeah.
So there's all these little hacks to be able to just conserve that little bit by little bit to get higher and higher.
Today we just want to talk quickly about the beep test and how you can improve that. We know that most people don't like it. You will like it more if you become better at it and if you can get a better score and motivate yourself that way. So I'm going to just, Willie's going to talk us through how we were talking earlier about the turns and how that's a key point. Willie's going to give us a breakdown of how he does it.
Yeah.
Before we start, what was your score, your last score?
13-2.
That's good. 13-2, anything. For those who know the beep test, they know that 13-2 is insane. So yeah, tell us what you're doing now. What's the key, you reckon?
Well, first off, if we look like sweaty messes, we've just finished the workout. We don't get around like this all the time. I don't know about you, but I don't first bar like this.
Oh mate, I'm sweating.
All right, we just finished the session and we were talking about beep test, and I was saying how I reckon I conserve a lot of energy in my turns, where I can turn really efficiently and it gives me a heap more time to get out of a turn and get to the end of the next shuttle. And so it gave us the idea, let's do a rundown on it right now. So there's a couple of things that I adhere to when I'm starting a beep test. The first thing, from the very first beep, I keep the same pace as the beep. I don't ever try to beat the beat and then wait it out, because what you do is raising your heartbeat and dropping it, raising it and dropping it. I treat a beep test like a long run, so I just pace myself nice and slow and just keep it consistent. And all it is just this slow notching up of the rate the whole time. So it actually feels a lot nicer than doing sprint, rest, because that's what we just did now, and it does it. It's a completely different response. Yeah. What you want to do is treat a beep test like an incremental notching up of the run. And then the only other thing I do is, besides adhering to the beeps, is in my turns, and we'll go through a little instruction. I try to get down nice and low, and actually it's like safety on a job site, 3 points of contact when I'm going through my turn, because there's heaps more stability. So if we start at this bottle here, I'm going to go at sort of like 11.0 pace and try and keep an eye on my turn, and then I'll slow it down as well. So this is running, 3 points of contact, 3 points of contact, transferring the weight forward as I'm turning so I can spring off my leg.
That's legs. That's good. So your hand's almost on the ground on the turn, isn't it?
Yeah, it is every time. So when that starts happening around about 10 in the beep test, 10 and a half.
That speed?
Yeah. So as I come in, I pinpoint where I want to throw my leg, pivot on that leg and drop down, basically land in that position. And that arm's generally always up for some reason, and then springing off my leg again. So if we do it slow, I come down on what?
You change legs?
No, I generally, because of the pacing.
Yeah, always turning on the same one.
Yep. Always turn on the same leg, it turns out.
It's hard otherwise to change constantly.
Yeah.
Do you ever count your steps or anything?
Kind of. I think by this time you're sprinting, I don't have time to count. I'm not really thinking about anything.
You're in rhythm
but
though.
It just winds up being that. I wind up sort of thinking about starting a turn a metre out.
Yeah.
I'm looking at that line coming in, but my imaginary line's about here.
Yeah.
So if I start my pivot with that foot, if I land in here, I'm over the line, but I'm actually a metre in.
Yeah.
So there's all these little hacks to be able to just conserve that little bit by little bit to get higher and higher. And ultimately, the further you're going in a beep test, the more of a workout you're getting. It's
yeah.
You're not cheating yourself. Yeah. You're just getting further and deeper and faster into a workout. The way I found out about it was, we were doing shuttle runs and Benny was saying, you've got to touch the ground at the end. So I tried to cheat and I worked out how to do it, because everyone touches the ground like this. And he never said you can't touch the ground here. So I started doing it there, and it turned out to be a way better way to turn. So,
right. Yeah. It's all about efficiency, Wilbur.
That's right.